Hello and welcome to Dolphin Seminars channel. Today I would like to speak to you about sales, how to build a successful sales team. So, everyone in business needs to do sales. So, everyone that works for us, if we are only a small company, is also a salesperson. We, as owners of the business, are also salespeople. So, how to build a team and how to use the skills ourselves is very important, because sales is the most important aspect of successful business. So, imagine yourself as a sales manager, a person responsible for the sales of products, services for the business, and a person that builds their own team of people. So, what are the qualities of a good sales manager? First of all, it's a person that really knows how to plan. A thinker, a forward thinker outside of the box. The second skill is managing people, managing teams, managing situations. Organizer who know how to organize time, systems, and strategies. A person who is able to use the right resources in order to move things forward. Person who knows about how to promote the process, and also a person that is able to create and supply the right promotional materials. A person who knows that training is vital, because it's motivating, is skills getting, and so on and so on. And another very, very important aspect for the sales manager is the communication skills, ability to communicate with the team, with the management, with the directors, clients, and most of all, the team, the sales force itself. And last but not least is the manager should be able to motivate his team. He or she should be able to really create a team spirit and teamwork that motivates and inspires the whole team. And there is one important message to it. If we as sales managers are great at planning, then the success is imminent. So let's talk a little bit about the sales team, because sales team is like a machine, like an engine that drives the force of the business and the success as well. And to be honest with you, it is found that over 95% of success in a sales team is actually through choosing the right team, the right people into the team. That's so important. The second one is to have the facility and resources for regular training of the team, and the right type of training. I can never forget when I spoke to a former sales manager at a large company, telling me that he doesn't know what it means to set goals. I was quite taken back, because in my understanding, a salesperson, sales team should have goals. They have targets, but in order to hit the targets, we need to have goals. We need to know, we need to have the direction, we need to have the vision of where we are going as a person, as a salesperson. So we need to be able to train our team on a regular basis, because the success is in development of skills, knowledge, and ability. So in order to do that, in order to train the sales force in the right way, we need to have the resources. We need to find the right trainers to carry out the training. We need to have a coaching team that will be able to coach and help to resolve any issues for the sales team. We need to have a sales plan. We need to have a strategy. We need to know exactly what we are doing, how we are doing it, and be able to use the training materials to upkeep the skills that we have acquired up to now, maintain them, and improve them as we go along. And the next important thing in running a sales team is the ability to have a budget, allocated funds, in order to be able to manage and direct the resources to be able to motivate and inspire team. And one of those motivating and inspiring times is when we can reward for work done well. So if we have a salesperson who is really bringing the business in, we need to reward them properly. If we have an incentive, so for instance, if we set a goal or we set a target for achieving certain level of sales, we need to have the incentives. We need to give a carrot for the sales team to achieve the goals and achieve the targets. We need to be able to design the right type of sales campaign so that the team is aware. And here I would like to input one more important thing. Very often, the communication between the management and the team is very poor. And that creates something which doesn't really correlate with the ideas of the management and the thoughts and processes given on the ground floor. So we need to be able to determine the type of product and services we are going to sell. We need to have a methodology on our sales. What methods are we going to use? How we are going to utilize the tools, and what we are going to do with the skills, with the knowledge. And the most important thing is, again, and I will emphasize this very much, is communication. The team of salespeople need to know exactly what is expected of them and how this is going to be achieved. So the management need to have regular meetings. Is it just a chit chat every day or a regular meeting on a weekly basis? the communication need to be there, the clarity need to be there, and the transparency need to be there. And the best of all, and I think this is the biggest result bringer, is when we get the team all together and work out with the team what is our mission, what are our values, and what is our vision for the company. Because when we get the team involved in what is happening in the business, they will take responsibility and they will do the best they possibly can to bring the results for the company, because everyone will benefit. So make sure that you spend over 80% of time to act and to generate the value, because the values are the things that are going to make your company brand going forward. And here is 2 questions which are helpful when we organize our sales team. So question number 1, what specific results do we expect from our position as a sales manager? So as a business owner, as a person who is in charge of the sales team, what results specifically are we expecting? And the second question is, what is that one single result that is most important for us to accomplish? What is it? Have a think about it. I hope that this video is going to help you, and if it is, could you please subscribe to my channel just below this video by clicking subscribe and the bell so you are notified when my videos are available. And I'm very grateful for you to watch this video. And if you have any comments, if you have anything to add, please leave a comment below this video and I will reply to it. Thank you once more, and I am looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.